Hi guys, today I will be using Python in Tinker to create a new project. I will be doing a blank Python project, and I will be working on Mad Libs, or like a fill-in story. So I'm still gonna kind of go around the input block. Call this Mad Libs. There we go. And I'm gonna save, because you should save, otherwise you might lose something, and no one wants that to happen. I'm gonna put, let's start with an adjective maybe. Input. Adjective. Let's try that. Right. Looks like it's working so far. I'm just gonna put maybe crazy. There we go. It ends because we don't really have any code yet. It just says that adjective is equal to input adjective. That's basically applying a variable to an input block. Like saying whatever I put in here, so crazy right now in this scenario, crazy is an adjective. That's what we're saying. And whenever we say adjective again, it will know we are talking about crazy. So I'm gonna do another one. Let's say subject, input, subject. And it's gonna do the same thing pretty much all over again, just for the subject instead of an adjective. And that's all I'm gonna do for now. I'm just gonna make a story. Okay. And I'm gonna put a space here because we want a space between the adjective and the word the. Plus adjective plus. I'm gonna put quotes. Another space because we want a space between the adjective and the next word or phrase. Actually we want a subject there because an adjective is describing word. Yeah, we want the adjective, the subject, that should be good. Walked over to the, and then I'm gonna put another one here. Place is input place. There we go. To the plus place plus. Then we start again, and it just keeps going like this. Let's just fill in for now. The scientist walked over to the lab, and what should we do? Should we like action verb? I guess you can say. Verb. Oh no, that's spelling. There we go. Verb. Then we can put this, and forgot to put the ending in. Ending in ed. that means like it's past tense because we want it walked, made. Made works, but it's not exactly what fits in with what we said. So maybe I could put in quotes here, past tense, just in case like made works, because if they put made, that works too, because the scientist walked over to the lab and made a crazy cow or something like that. And plus verb, what should we do here? Made and walked and made. I'm just gonna put the dog because it can mean many things. If you put something here, like, for example, if you mean walked the dog, that works. Made the dog, that seems pretty weird, but it still works. So this, it works. Whatever I do here, so I'm gonna put another adjective. Actually, I'm gonna cut this up into 2 pieces. Plus adjective. So it's gonna be like, the scientist walked over to the lab and made the crazy dog, or something like that. Walked the crazy dog. It all works. So I'm gonna try messing around with it right now. And so adjective, say cool. Subject, let's say me. Place, house, because that's a place. McDonald's works, house works, Apple factory works, anything pretty much works. Verb ending in ed, we do like jumped would seem pretty weird, but it kind of, I guess, works. The OmyDaGreat walked over to the house and jumped the cool dog. As you can see, you can make some pretty crazy stuff with this, but if you put in your own creative ideas and mess around with this, maybe make a whole paragraph, you can pretty much do whatever you want. And that's all I'm going to do for today, but feel free to make whatever you want, and please remember to subscribe. Bye-bye!